My name is Emily and I work for Flock, and in 2022 I am most excited to see the emerging use cases in the medical field and see how far drones can go in this amazing space.
More collaboration, more unique user cases from around the world, being able to share that knowledge across different companies and really just kind of coming across those hidden gems of where people are using drones in fantastic and unique ways.
We will be bringing situational awareness to new levels for drone pilots, and that will be done by augmented reality. We will be bringing the pilot's gaze back to the sky where the drone is.
It's seeing developments in drone-in-a-box technology and automation and AI softwares, so we can bring them together, put the drones where they're most needed, and then an emergency service can task that drone on demand and have a drone there within 5 minutes, which will really help us save lives.
2022 is going to be one of the most exciting years for drone delivery because the regulation is there. We have created a whole network that will connect medical centers together for long distances using our Spirit One and Spirit X unique air vehicles and automatic maintenance systems.
For 2022, I'm most excited about letting drones fly without GPS.
Artificial intelligence and also BVLOS will be the big thing.
So 2022, we're going to be really excited to see what integrations we can do and put on our platform that's going to be more tailored towards the specific needs of the industry.
We're really looking forward to making the next steps towards a more integrated solution for drones by bringing together drone providers, national infrastructure and airspace management to unlock the next generation of the on-visual line of sight capabilities.
I'm excited about seeing the innovation that will be achieved by drones in the Fly to Plan project and how drones can integrate into manned airspace with manned aircraft.
I'm interested to see how drones will be used in last mile delivery.
I'm looking forward to the implementation of all our new drone port autonomous robotics technologies, particularly in the NHS healthcare system.
And our plan for 2022 is to make that the standard autopilot for any drone, which is powerful, autonomous, connected, and you can deploy your own AI software on that.
I look forward to more drone companies using artificial intelligence to automate and increase efficiency and reduce workload for pilots and operators.